On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best offer that you can promote in a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to enter the requirement so that you can be making money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join CPA Lead, OG Ads, My Lead, or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPA Grip. CPA Grip is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for it and then create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on it, select My Offers. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. On CPA Grip, you can find a lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. But all the offers, they are geo-specific. That means each of the offers is allowed in only one specific country. So what you have to do is that you have to find a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote offers that are allowed in that country. As you can see on your screen, all these offers are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see they have only 2 available offers, and each of the offers, if you promote it and then get a lead, you're going to be earning $2.22. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout. So come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to search for Switzerland. So search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can select any of the offers that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. This one right here, you're going to be earning $6.42 per every lead that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see this one right here, you're going to be earning $16.42 per every lead that you get. There are many offers with higher payout that are allowed in Switzerland, so you can select any of them that you want and then promote it. The best part is that you are allowed to promote them. You don't need any approval to promote any of the offers. You are allowed to promote any offer that you want so that you can get people to take a specific action so that you can be paid. The action can be mobile install, so you can see right here, mobile install. That means your potential visitors have to install a mobile app and you are going to be paid. The next one is credit card submit. That means your potential visitors have to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to an offer and you are going to be paid $22.58 per every lead that you get. The next one, your potential visitors are required to submit a PIN so that they can get access to an offer and you are going to be paid $20.53. So the actions vary based on the offer that you are promoting. You can see a whole lot of different offers. Now what you have to do is that you have to select any of the offers that is easy for your potential visitors to take action for you to make money. When you compare credit card submit to PIN submit, the credit card submit is difficult because some people don't have the trust to enter their sensitive information online. So you might not get a lot of people to enter their credit card details so that you can be paid. But as for the PIN submit, it is very easy for people to take action so that you can be making money from home. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is that I'm going to be promoting the offers that require PIN submit, so you can promote any of these offers. But before you promote the offers, you can translate the text to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. So right click on your screen. Once you right click on your screen, select translate to English. Once you click on it, you can see everything has been translated to English. You can now understand what the offers are about. So scroll down and then select any of the offers that you want so that you can promote it. You can see a whole lot of different offers. Just select the one that you want so that you can get people to enter their details for you to get paid. You can see a whole lot of different offers. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. But the people must come from Switzerland. You don't have to get people from anywhere apart from Switzerland. So make sure you target people who live in Switzerland so that they can click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. If you want to select a tracking domain, you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any tracking domain that you want. you can see the offer title and the description. So you have to find the traffic source. You can use free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then take the action so that you can be paid. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is trafficg.com. This website is a free website that you can use to get traffic to your affiliate links without paying for anything. If you want, you can upgrade to the premium version or you can use the free version. It depends on what you want. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can be able to post your links on this website for free. So click right here, join now. Once you click on join now, you have to enter your first name, last name, your email address, enter your username, password, and then if you have a reference ID, you can enter it right here and then click on sign me up. Once you click on it, you're going to get access to a free account that you can use to advertise your affiliate links. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, you can add your site. That means you can add your affiliate link. You can buy credit. That means you can buy traffic on the platform. If you want a premium account, you can click right here, upgrade. Once you click on it, you can be able to upgrade. So let me click on it for you to see. Once you click on upgrade, you can see the options that you can choose. Just choose any of them that you want and then upgrade. You can see right here, you can make your payment through PayPal or WorldPay. Any of the payment method that you want, you can select it so that you can upgrade your accounts. Apart from upgrading your accounts, there are many other options that you can use to get traffic to your affiliate link. For example, you can see save for credit. Once you click on it, it means you have to be viewing other people's ads so that you can get credit to post your affiliate link. For example, let me click on it for you to see. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now if you click right here, start saving. Once you click on start saving, they are going to show you ads that you can watch. You can see it is counting. So once it counts to 0, you have to enter the capital here so that you can earn credit. For example, it has gotten to 0, so what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then select the symbol that is displayed right here. So for example, you can see it is I, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see you have earned credit. So you can use the credit to run ads on the platform for free. If you don't want save for credit, you can choose any other options that you want. You can see a lot of different options. You can see banner exchange. You can click on it and then watch other people's banners so that you can earn credit. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to add our site for free. You can add your site for free and then later on you can upgrade. In this case, the method that I use is save for credit. I use that method and I'll be able to earn credit, which I use to run my ads. I do not pay anything. So you can equally use save for credit. Once you use it and you are able to get conversion, you can then upgrade your accounts so that you can earn a lot of money with CPA marketing. Now, once you have been able to earn credit, the next step is that you have to click right here, add site, so that you can advertise your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you have to select the language of your website. That is the language of the offer that you are promoting. In this case, the offer is in German, so we are going to select German. So click right here, German. Once you select German, you can see website name. Just enter anything that you want. In this case, we are going to enter games. Once you enter game, the next step is that you have to enter your URL right here. So this is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPA group, click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste it right here. So paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the interest. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different interests. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see they have as computer hardware. You can see computer software. You can see a whole lot of different things. You can see a whole lot of them. So select any of them that you want. In this case, it is a game, so select games. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the country that you are targeting. You can see geographic targeting, so click on it. Once you click on it, select the country that you are targeting. You can see a whole lot of different countries. You are targeting Switzerland, so you have to scroll down to the bottom so that you can select Switzerland. Just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see Switzerland. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description of the offer right here. For the description, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see directory category, so you can click on it and then select any category that you want. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can select You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. In this case, it doesn't matter, so I'm not going to select any category. Once that is done, you have to click right here, add this site. Once you click on it, your site has been added. Now your ad is live on the platform. As I scroll down, you can see this is your ad. You can see it right here. The next step is that you have to assign credit. The credit that you earn, you have to assign the number of credit that you want to use so that your ad can run. As you can see, one of my ads, you can see the number of visitors that I got. I got 1,962 visitors. So you can see my credit is now left with 3. You can see another ad right here. It is still on. You can see the number of visitors that I got. I got 2,749, and you can see the credit that is left. So what you have to do is that you have to assign credit here. Once you assign the credit, your ad is going to be live on the platform. You are going to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be making money. Apart from Switzerland, you can select offers from any country that you want. Just select any country that you want so that you can get many people to enter the required details for you to make money. This is free, so it does not matter whether the offer has a higher payout or lower payout. What we want is traffic, and if you get traffic, the numbers will give you a lot of money. So the Switzerland that I just use it to demonstrate it for you. But you can select a country like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, any country that you want, you can select it and then promote your offers on this platform so that you can be earning money without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.